Vlogging is hard. Seriously though, we're on day 24 and man, it's just like it's not that I don't look forward to filming, but it's just like I feel like I have to do something exciting in my life to film. Maybe not even necessarily exciting, like I just have to do something. Where on Sundays, today, they're kind of my lazy day. I hang out a lot with my family, we just watch a bunch of movies and eat junk food, which isn't really what my channel's about. You know, I tried to show as much woodworking as possible. Sundays are just hard because usually I'm not in the shop. It's kind of like my day off. Plus, Saturdays, I don't go to work, and that's usually where I edit this vlog at. And so I haven't even edited Saturday's vlog. It's not even out yet. I'm gonna go do it right now, but I just like to release them that night, you know, but whatever. I do have some emails I need to go answer and just some work I need to do downstairs on the computadora. And I might get in the shop today. My little daughter wants to work on a little project on the CNC, and I told her we would. So we will see and see. Down in the office, just watching some YouTube and stuff, trying to support other makers who are trying to make it in YouTube. But I realized I was going through my Instagram and I need content bad. This vlogging thing is great because I get a lot of really good YouTube content out of it, but I get zero, okay, not zero, maybe like 5% content for vertical filming. Everything I film is horizontal, and I can edit it to be vertical, but sometimes it just doesn't work. Yeah, anyways. So I need some content, so I'm gonna go dig through some of my old files and just start making some reels. Hopefully I can bust out a good amount today and just have some for the week. And then when I'm in the shop, I really just need to try and film vertical content while I'm in there. It just kind of sucks because I'm filming like this for stuff, and then I'm filming like this for stuff. So it doesn't always work. One of my goals for YouTube this year is to get monetized, and I am so close. I have everything checked off except for my watch time. I am almost there. I just need more watch time. So I need to keep uploading, and I need to probably upload something that is actually entertaining. And basically I have, at least I think, I have 2 months to get over 2,000 watch hours. I think I can do it. Or sorry, under 2,000 watch hours. I think I can do it. I just need to really push myself on YouTube and get some content out, because I am killing it on shorts. I get a ton of views on shorts, but that doesn't count. It doesn't count towards your watch hours, which I understand, that's fine, but I wish it did right now. Okay, apparently we're making some hearts on the CNC today, which is gonna be fun. But first, we gotta design them, huh, baby? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so let's jump in and let's design some hearts.
Something like a smiley face.
Something like a smiley face. Oh, this one?
No, that one.
This one?
Yeah.
I like that one.
5 of them. 5 of that one.
5 of these.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, here's the designs we came up with. They should look pretty good. What do you think?
Good.
You ready to go carve them out?
Yeah.
All right, we are just about there. We're gonna have to do 2 cuts. One for the faces and then one to cut out the actual hearts. Okay, turn it on. So turn it on right here, push that button.
Can I?
Yep.
This one?
Hmm?
Start?
Yep. Ooh, be careful though, stay away from it.
Let's change the bit.
Okay, we're ready to start it up. All right, got these guys done. They are pretty dang cute. Let's get them off of here. All right, looks good. Only one heart didn't cut all the way through, and that's this one closest to the home position. The rest all cut pretty perfectly. Here you go, your hearts.
Happy, smiley, smiley. Dead.
Show me the dead face.
Dead.
What do you think? Do you like them?
Yeah.
Yeah, they need to be sanded up a little bit because they're still a little sharp, but pretty good, huh? Those cuts came out really well. My daughter loves them. We're gonna put a round over and stuff on them tomorrow and put some finish on them. But now we're heading out to a swimming hole. So let's go.
I want to go.
You wanna go?
Yeah.
Mace, you wanna try it?
Yeah.
Dude, the water's gonna be cold. Okay, go feel the water. Is it cold?
Yeah, it's cold.
You gonna swim? Yeah. Ready? You got it? All right, we're just gonna be doing family stuff for the rest of the day, so I'm gonna call it on here so I can go and enjoy my time. Be good, be safe, be happy, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.